To achieve this, you will need four different things. The first thing you will need is a text like this. You can type any text you want, choose any font. You can write anything you want. For me, I like something like "Thanks for watching." Since it is an outro, then you will need something like this as well. This is a stroke line. You can go to elements in Canva, type it, and create something like this. Then this is YouTube play button. You can get something like this. Then finally, you will need a black background. But make sure that each of these three that you see have a green screen as their background, so that it will be easier for you to remove the background later on. So when you get that ready, you want to go up here that says download and download each of them as PNG so that we can use it for our editing. Open CapCut app and click on new project. Select the black background. Extend it to Sonyeye. Click on overlay. Add overlay. Select the text. Extend it to make it equal with this. Slide to the left until you find remove BG. Chroma key. Move this color picker to Sonyeye. Go down to this option that says clean up edge. Then increase it to Sonyeye 100. What this will do is that it will clean up the edges of the text for any leftover green color, right? Click the check mark. Use two fingers to resize the text, as you can see me doing, to Sonyeye until it meets your desired results. Go to overlay again. Select the YouTube icon. Extend it to make it equal with the rest of the clip. Remove the background. Clean up the edges. Click on the diamond shape at the top to add keyframe to this timeline. Move a bit closer. Now use your two fingers to resize the YouTube icon and place it somewhere here. You will get something like this. That is the first step. Now go back to the text by tapping on it. As you can see, the text is being selected on the screen. Make sure you place it somewhere here. Now move a little bit far away. Somewhere here. Tap on the text. As you can see, the text is being selected. Make sure you move it a little bit far away from where I show you. Don't move the timeline again, otherwise you will mess up everything here. Stay on the text selected, go to mask. Select the horizontal option. Use your two fingers to rotate it like this. Move it somewhere here until the text disappears. Now add keyframe by tapping on the plus diamond icon at the top of your timeline. Move a little bit closer on your timeline. Then go to your screen, use your finger to move the mask to the right until the text is being revealed. You will get something like this. I hope you are following. Click on add overlay again. Select the stroke line. This is the stroke line. Extend it to make it equal. Remove the background. Clean up the edge. Move the timeline to where the text just appear a little. Yes, somewhere like this. Now tap on the stroke line. Resize it to your liking and place it just on top of the text before it appears. Stay on the stroke line selected. Go to mask. Select horizontal. Push this downward and rotate it with your two fingers. Make sure it doesn't touch that line there. This line, make sure it doesn't touch it. Just leave it somewhere like this. We are going to need this later on. Don't move the timeline. At this point, add a keyframe by clicking on the plus diamond shape here at the top. Move a little bit forward Then move the stroke line to the right. Click on this check mark. Resize the edge of this clip to some yeah. You will get something like this. Go back to the text. Place it somewhere here in between 2 and 4 on the timeline, which is here, this midpoint. Click on the text. As you can see, the text is being selected. Go to mask. Make sure you don't move the timeline yet. Add a keyframe before you move the timeline. I've added the keyframe. Now move a little bit closer to somewhere here. Go to your screen. Use your finger to move the mask to the left until the text disappears. You will get something like this. And just a little step away, we are almost done with this. Go back to the YouTube icon, tap on it. As you can see on the screen, the YouTube icon is now being selected. Slide the timeline to where the YouTube icon is just visible without the text. Yes, there is it. Then come to split. Don't move the timeline again. Just add a keyframe, then move it a little bit far away. After that, use your two fingers to resize the YouTube icon to somewhere here and enlarge it to your liking. Then go back to the stroke line. Now, if you look at the screen, the stroke line is being selected. Move your timeline to somewhere here. Can you see it in between 2 and 4? So move it there. Add a keyframe. Then move it a little bit closer. Without touching anything, just move the stroke line to the left. Click on this check mark. Without moving the timeline, go to mask. Now go to your screen using your finger to move the mask to somewhere here. And finally, we are done. You will get something like this. So finally, we want to export this and add it to our video. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one.